Hello again and welcome. Lorraine here. I am tonight thinking about doing a string pull on this black background. I've got a very light coat of black paint on it, and I have three colors. This is a phthalo blue. I have a gold, and I have a primary red. I'm going to do this a little bit different than I've seen it done before. I'm going to go ahead and get my string covered with paint. And I'm going to do all three colors at the same time. My paint tonight does not have any silicone in it. My red might have a little because it is leftover paint. I am not sure if some of it had silicone or not, so might be a touch. They're all mixed with Floetrol and water. About 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, water to get them to consistency. And these are kind of a thick consistency. They're not a real light consistency. Light and runny, I guess is what I mean to say. So, these all covered. One in the red. I need to bring this one over here. Give me a little more space. In the past, I've always lined up the paint along the side and dipped the string in it that way. I'm going to try doing it this way, putting it directly in the paint. Put a paper towel on my lap, and I'm going to put a paper towel right here to catch the paint when I pull it down. So the plan is, it's going to kind of pull a little bit of the paint off the string. If it will cooperate, I might have this a bit long. I definitely have it a bit long. I have to reassess what I'm doing here a little bit. Okay. Oh my goodness. Scrape this down a little also. So the plan here is I'm going to take all three of these strings together I'm going to set them down. Oops, sorry, I did not mean to hit the camera. And I want to see how this will work out with all three strings together and the colors on different strings. It might not turn out at all. I might reevaluate what I'm doing. Ooh, so far I like it. It's very pretty. Kind of difficult. Get some gold over here. Kind of a messy way to do it. So as I continue, I think I'm going to do one at a time instead of doing all three the way that I just did. So grab another string and I'll fast forward through this part. This is time consuming, putting string in paint. Okay, I like the composition. I'm going to come in and fix up a couple of things here. So here we have it, guys. the finished product. I think it's very pretty. Thanks for coming and visiting with me tonight. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a good night. Bye.